Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. So this is the design that I created on my nails this week. I used Flexi press tips and some foils from Miss You Beauty. So I shall show you how I created this set. So to begin with, I'm just buffing the underside of the Flexi press tip. I use the long coffin shaped tips, and instead of using my e-file to do this, I'm using a hand file just so that you can see that you can do it if you don't have an e-file. So then just filing around the cuticle area of that Flexi press tip as well. So I apply a base coat and I cure that for 30 seconds in my LED lamp. Then with my gel strengthener I apply a coat to my natural nail, don't cure it. Then I apply a coat to the underside of the Flexi press tip. Then I place the nail down on the place the Flexi press tip down on my nail and hold it in place and cure it with my LED lamp for 60 seconds. And then I just buff the surface of that nail and I file all around the cuticle area as well. And my nail is ready. So I go in the nude 03. This is one of my favourites at the moment. I really like I haven't got any white gel polishes, so this is like the closest thing that I have, and I really just like it, and it matches the foils that I use in this video. So I'm just applying a layer of that gel polish, which I cure in my LED lamp for 30 seconds, and then I go in with a second coat of this colour and again cure that in my LED lamp for 30 seconds. So before applying any top coat I use my gel polish, my foil transfer gel polish, and this is the foil that I'm going to be using. It's like a snake skin effect. So I just place down a layer of the transfer gel and I cure that in my LED lamp for 60 seconds, and then I place down the foil. Now foiling is not my, I'm not fabulous at it. I struggle with it very much, but I really love the effects that it gives, so I'm persisting with it. And these foils are amazing, they're just so lovely. And it's just a really quick way of applying intricate art to your nails. So then I apply a layer of top coat to that nail and cure that in my LED lamp. So if you look closely it might be a bit patchy, but like I said, I'm still practicing. So then we've got Sweet Rocket 04, and this is just my favourite glitter at the moment. It's like a pinky purpley colour, and it's really gorgeous. So I literally just applied 2 coats of this to the nail and cured each coat in my LED lamp for 30 seconds, and then I went in with non-wipe UV gel top coat and cured that in my LED lamp for 60 seconds. Just make sure that you cap the edges to make sure that gel polish doesn't peel away, and I just left it like this because I thought no need for nail art, love it. So then we've got Sweet Rocket 05, and this is more of a darker purple. I don't know what you want to call it really. Anyway, I apply 2 coats of this and I cure it in my LED lamp for 30 seconds each coat. And then on the middle finger I wanted to use the foils again. Like I said, I'm persisting with them to make sure that I do okay with them. So my foil transfer gel I just place down at the tip of the nail here, going down diagonally, and cure that for 60 seconds, and then I place down the foil, rub it on the nail to make sure that that transfers across to that nail. So like I said, not perfect, but I still love the effect. Had to really persist with this one. So then to top off that nail art I used the spider gel in the shade in silver. I do apologise, my thumb is totally in shot there, so I do apologise for that. And my dotting tool, I just used the spider gel just to add a little bit more of effect to that nail and cure that in my LED lamp for 45 seconds, and then I apply top coat and cure that for 60 seconds. I can't get enough of spider gel at the moment. It's my new favourite thing ever. So then on the we've got Sweet Rocket 01 on the ring finger. So just apply 2 coats of that to my nail, curing each coat in my LED lamp for 30 seconds. And then I wanted to go in with some marbling on this nail, staying in line with the colours as much as possible. So I applied matte top coat to that nail, cure that in my LED lamp for 60 seconds, and then I have the marble inks. I've got the white, is like a purple, so it's Marble Ink 2 and Marble Ink 1. I think I showed you Marble Ink 2 and Marble Ink 3, or I'm not sure which one, but I just placed a little bit of each down on the nail, and then with the clear one, which is Marble Ink 08, you just blend those colours all together. Just make sure that you wipe that brush before you pop it back in the bottle, otherwise the colour will transfer to the clear marble ink, which is not what you want. So yeah, just dotting a little bit of the colours on here, just building up on what I wanted. The white sort of brings out the purples a little bit more, which is just what I wanted really. So yeah, so just blend all those colours together. And then with some more foil transfer gel, I applied a little bit to the cuticle area and a little bit to the tip of the nail. And this was a bit more randomly done. I just sort of, popped it down and pulled it off. Just did it a bit more randomly. And yeah, I quite liked it like this. I think I prefer it like this than I do on the full nail. Anyway, so then I applied a layer of top coat to that nail and cured it in my LED lamp for 60 seconds. As you can see, I'm just trying to get it just right, but there was no need for that. I just did it random in the end. So on goes the top coat, and I cure that for 60 seconds. I just really love marble inks at the moment as well. They're amazing. So then Sweet Rocket 05, I placed down on my little finger, and I decided to do some more marbling, but with gel polishes instead of the marble inks, because I wanted to sort of combine all the colours that I'd used on this one nail. So I applied 2 coats of this colour and place those on the nail, curing them in the LED lamp for 30 seconds. Then I use gel strengthener. I place down that on my nail, and before I cure it, that's when I pop down the other gel polishes. So I've got Sweet Rocket 1 and 4 and my extra fine detail brush, and I just sort of go just to place the colours down where I want each individual colour. And what that does, because I haven't cured the strengthener, the colour sort of disperses nicely but very delicately. And yeah, and then I create that marbling with my extra fine detail brush. So everything that I use in this video will be linked below in the description box for you all to check out. Sweet Rocket is one of the newer collections from Miss You Beauty, and I think it's, well, I say it about a lot of them, my favourite, but I really do like this one. I think the colours are really cute. So as you can see, I'm just dragging my brush through the colours there, just spreading them out evenly, and then I cure that for 30 seconds, and then I go in with my top coat and cure that for 60 seconds. So I do apologise that my other thumb on my other hand has been in the way the majority of the video. I do apologise for that, guys, but hopefully you don't mind too much, and this is the final result. So thank you so much for watching my video this week, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Facebook and the Nail Vision app. And I'll see you next time. Take care, guys. Bye.